Hi, how are you, everybody? Today we start with the cooking class of the day. Today we started two different things, but today we start with this. Look at this. Tequilas. And tequilas for different things. But we go to making the simple recipe of the Margarita. The simple how it is, and don't have only nothing else than 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients, that's it. Going to be wonderful. Are you ready to take a Margarita? Because I'm ready right now. Ready. Well, we go to first, before to making the Margarita, we're going to put the chicken and the grill for today. In the meantime, the chicken is in the grill, we're coming back here and we will make it the Margarita. Are you ready? We're ready. This one going to be very simple. We prepare our chicken with that one mix that we use it. It's a base of garlic, choco garlic, is not powder, garlic, pepper, salt,
like granulated garlic?
Granulated garlic, granulated salt, pepper, and sea salt. Making here, remember, when you grill chicken, please, this one are thighs. I like more the thighs that use a regular breast. It's more flavorful. We're going to put the thighs with this, with the part that got the skin, a little oil. We're going to put this one here, this one, and this one going to take no more than 10 minutes. Time enough to making one Margarita. Beautiful. And now, in the meantime that we are like that, we check, everything is perfect, nice, we go to the other side. Well, and now we are here in the bar, and we make it very simple. The Margarita is simple. The problem here, in many places here in the United States, I know, I understand that to try to save time, or the bartenders are really not the right things. Like I put mixers and sours and everything. It's not like that. It's like if I want to make it one hamburger with black beans or pinto beans, it's not going to be right. Okay? It's very simple. We're going to take it 2 glasses because Michon and me. Okay? Salt. And the other one, if you want, you can add tajin. Tajin is a little bit salty with chamoy and spicy, and making your Margarita beautiful. Here, we can put ice. The Margarita never drinking frozen. Why? Because he only sell ice. You go to buy ice with a flavor of lime and something like that. Or some alcohol or one cheap tequila. Never. The Margarita always is on the rock. The recipe. Which one you want? The more usual. You go making one with Patron. It's 1 ounce of Patron. 1 ounce of triple sec. In this case, we are use control. And of tequila.
You mean lime juice?
The lime juice, sorry. Sometimes I'm confused, you know. You understand. Okay, that's it. That's it. This is the margarita. Nothing else. We're ready? And here, I prepare here because we will make it something more healthy. Grilled chicken, and this one we go to cook peppers. What did we go to use again? Our ajillo pepper that we used yesterday. If it's Teresa looking to us, look at this. We're making this, we're gonna make it. To me and Michonne, we like garlic. Okay, garlic is lovely. And now we go making this stuff here. First, the onions we will cut in big chunks. I don't want little ones, a big chunks, because remember, got to be my garnish and got to be the rest of my meal. The chicken is fantastic, but this one got to be. And the first thing you got to cook it is the onion, pepper, cut here. Take this one out, and this one. You don't lose anything. It's very important. I see many people to try to cut in one way and the other way. No, you have to save money. You pay for that. Okay? And especially for this in home, okay, we try to make it pretty, but we got to try to make it to making the, how you call it? To enlarge the food for home, especially when we have a lot of people in home.
More of a filler to fill the tummy?
Yes. And the first thing you cooking for this is peppers and onions. More or less like a fajita. Got to be the chicken. Very simple. We have the mushroom, the leftover that we making yesterday. Making the mushroom. The mushroom we go to add later. The carrots, we go to add now the carrots. The last that you go to cooking got to be the mushroom. The same with your zucchini. First you put your onions and your pepper all the time. And then here, make it like that. Simple, simple, simple. Okay? Your chicken, like this. The thigh, it's a little bit more thick. What I'm doing, cut here and cut it a little bit more to cook it faster. Okay, look in here and boom. Take it this here. You see? And when you make it this, you can add a little bit more if you want flavor. This one is pretty pink, it's not too much, it's almost done. You see how long we have here? 8 minutes, 10 minutes? That's when we take it to cooking at home. That's where we go take it to cooking at home. We don't have to start buying a lot of things. No, look at that. Fantastic. I tried to find it. Now, you have the pepper, the onions ready. At this moment, like always, we're going to use a punnet fumé. a little bit of wine. In this case, I want to use one red one to give you more body, especially for the chicken. So we make it like that. It's almost done. If you see the chicken, it's almost done. It's almost done. It's very simple. And now we're going to add the mushrooms. I think I cook it like for a bunch of people, but not just for me and me. We eat a lot. It is true. Well, you know what? It's one of the pleasure of the life. Eat. One of those days I will tell you which one are the 5 pleasures of the life of the human. After those 5 pleasures, don't have anything. Nothing. It's not the money. It's a simple pleasure that everybody will enjoy. We have the vegetables like this way. We're going to add the zucchini. And this one is a very healthy food. This one, if you buy it, and then...
Diana says it looks yummy.
Yes. Yeah, this one, to finish this, I'm going to make it a little bit of wine. Of course, all the time, wine in the table. And,
Kelly, we're going to make another margarita in a little bit.
Well, here's it. The chicken is ready. Now the chicken I'm going to put on the side because we're going to make it another margarita. The chicken is, look at this chicken. Oh my God, look at this. Look at it. Look at it. This is one old plate. This is a very old plate.
That is.
Well, today going to be.
It belonged to great grandma.
A wonderful plate. Let me put this one here. This is the show when you cooking right. Nobody is stick in the pan. Nothing is stick in the pan. Beautiful vegetable. Fantastic. And now we go to, it is hot. We take the chicken. And we're going to put on the side of the plate. Very simple, very easy. You make it at home with vegetables, with whatever you want, with asparagus. Very healthy. It's light. The only problem when I start eating at this time, normally I eat very late, but I can resist. But when I eat this early, 12 o'clock, then I am hungry again. This will go to be a family plate. These little pieces need a little bit more, but well, fabuloso. Fabuloso. After one whole week, tell me please what do you want to cook in Monday. Tomorrow we have hummus and we have sangria, but and it's melting and it's beautiful. You know, when you're cooking from here, you don't have any problem. Your food is always delicious. Thank you very much to everybody. Have somebody some questions? Somebody have questions, Michelle? My daughter Marcela, Howard. I got to send them one big kiss to Howard. Mwah! I love you, brother. Howard and Marcela was one of the people that are in the back of us. Help them to making videos and everything, and Mandy and the marketing. But we got to making something delicious, really unbelievable, and share to other people. You got to help to us too much, and thank you, all my friends. Live in my heart, and remember, cooking from here, from the heart, and drinking here, not from the heart.